What's up, guys? Bit windy today, but today we're gonna be doing oil change, and we're gonna be changing the spark plugs as well. So that's the plan for today. So there she is. So yeah, let's get started with that and see where later it takes us. Alright, so these are the spark plugs we're going to be putting on from the dealer. So we're going to get these OEM spark plugs, Nissan, genuine. Shout out to Marco for hooking it up. So gonna get rid of my freaking, I don't even know what it was. Oh yeah, we're gonna get rid of those that I have in there, put these OEM ones, and meanwhile the oil drains at the bottom, and yeah, get started on that. So let's do it. Alright, so now we're gonna have to disconnect these, disconnect the throttle bodies, or just unmount them. Try not to unplug them, because you never know, you could uncalibrate them, but you just don't want to risk that. So yeah, so now I gotta unmount these and get them out the way and get the two in the back and the two on the other side. So let's do that. Alright, so first we're gonna start off with these right here. Wait. Okay. So get this out of your way. Get this out of your way real quick. So now we're gonna get to this one. I'm gonna use a 10mm for that, which I already have right here. I'll drop the screw. I'll take this out. Plug it. I'm gonna be doing one at a time, so we need a 916. Okay. This might be a bit excessive, but works though. Okay. Let's get rid of these. Put one of these bad boys in. Sheesh. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. And that's it. That's how you do it. Now I just put this back. Put that back in there, nice and snug. Get the screw. Put the screw back in there, tighten it, and that's it. That's how you change the spark plug. Now we're gonna do that to the other two. Just snug. Alright guys, so oil and spark plugs are done. Well guys, the car seems to be running good. I took it out for a spinner now. I went up with Jason. Here's a little clip. Alright, he's sliding, so just slide a little bit. Yeah! Alright, we're gonna heat up our tires. Trying to do 20 rolls right now. It's a bit cold, so tires are slipping. Huh? Alright. Keep giving me a chance, I see. It's okay. Yours. So, second customer coming in today, getting his headliner done. It's a G37 too, just like mine. So, make sure that one comes out pretty. But I'll get started on it today and get it back to him tomorrow, and hopefully he likes it. Hello guys, good morning. Sorry, my camera was full last night, so didn't really get to record. But the whole headliner is off, and now we're gonna get started on the lights. So let's go do that. We got the headliner, we got the lights, so I'm gonna do this quick. So alright, so we're here working on Eli's brakes. Spontaneous vlogger here right now, real quick. What's up guys? Sorry I haven't been recording, but here I am. Finished up, the guy's about to come already. Just trimming these pieces and that's it. Low-key kinda jealous, came out better than mine.
Oh, this thing, damn, bro.
Yeah, you like it?
You know how many more people want to bring in this car, bro? Damn. It's clean, bro.
Nah, yeah, low-key jealous, man.
That thing is clean, dog.
So here's the guy, picked up his car, second customer right here. Came out clean.
Yeah, bro, this is the guy you need to do your lights.
Another satisfied customer. What's up guys, so the guy really liked his headliner. We're here at the car wash. Gonna wash the baby, so let's wash her. So car's all clean now, so now we're gonna go head over to a car meet. Met up with one of the homies. Me and him are gonna race. We're gonna see what's up. me. Got the Carmen with the gang. Vlogmas. We're now on vlog 69.
What's up, bro?
Eli. I got that fool on the daily.
I'm gonna go back to study.
Damn.
Alright, I'll catch you guys later too.
Damn, bro, relax. Wait.
I know, right?
Later. Later, man. Later, bro. Yeah, I'm out too, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Later.
Alright, bro.
Look up on Instagram, bro. Alright, guys. So, yeah, that was the meat, guys. Just regular old meat. Not much, but can't wait to get my tune. Go do a rerun on these guys, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.